Good morning children. Welcome to the third EVS video class, and today we will learn chapter 3 Mind Needs Food We Eat. And food is one of the basic needs. So all living things need food to live. And what is food, children? Do you know what is food? Food is what we eat and drink. So how does food help us? Food helps us to grow. It makes us strong and healthy. It gives us energy to work and play. What is energy, children? Energy means the strength and power to work and play. Then it protects the body. Protects the body means protects the body from diseases. So we should eat healthy food. Now we will see the important meals in a day. There are 3 important meals in a day. They are breakfast, lunch and dinner. These 3 are the important meals in a day. The first meal in a day is our breakfast. And breakfast we eat in the morning. And breakfast is a very important meal of a day. So we should not miss our breakfast. So children, when you go to school, you should make sure that you should eat breakfast and go to school. Then for breakfast, usually we eat chapatis, vegetables, puri, chola, then idli, sambar, like that variety of food we eat for breakfast. Then after breakfast, the second meal of the day is lunch. And lunch we eat in the afternoon. So for lunch, usually what do we eat, children? What do you eat for your lunch? Yes, you eat rice, dal, vegetables, and those who eat fish and meat, they include fish and meat also. Then the third meal of the day is dinner. Dinner we eat at night. Dinner we eat usually chapatis and vegetables. So these are the 3 important meals in a day. See, breakfast we eat in the morning, lunch we eat in the afternoon, and dinner we eat at night. Now children, food cooked during festivals. So festivals time, all of your mothers prepare some delicious dishes, especially Diwali. Diwali, namkeens and sweets. People prepare namkeens and sweets. And Holi, malpuas and gujiyas. People prepare malpuas and gujiyas for Holi. Then cakes and puddings are made at Christmas. Christmas is famous for cakes. So Christmas time people make cake and they exchange cakes. Then at Eid, biryani and savai, and people make different types of biryani, mutton biryani, chicken biryani, and savai is a sweet dish. So these are the food cooked during festivals, special food. So now we will learn from where do we get food. We eat different types of food. So from where do we get food? The sources of food. So children, do you know from where do we get food? So plants give us most of our food items. From plants we get fruits, vegetables and grains. We eat different types of fruits, apple, mango, banana, orange, all these fruits. Now it is the season for mangoes. So you must be eating plenty of mangoes. Mangoes are very good for health. Then vegetables. We eat different types of vegetables like potato, tomato, onion, lady's finger, cabbage, carrot, like that. A variety of vegetables are there. So vegetables also we get from plants. Then we get grains. Grains also we get from plants. The important grains we eat are wheat and rice. Then from animals also we get some food. So animals give us eggs, milk, meat and honey. Children, do you know who give us eggs? Hens and ducks give us eggs. Then milk we get from buffaloes and cows, and goats also give us milk. Then meat we get from chicken and goat. And honey, honeybees make honey. You know what is honeybee? Yes, honey is made by honey. Yes. Food eaten in raw and cooked form. Raw means without cooking, uncooked. We eat fruits, nuts and some of the vegetables for salad, onion, tomato, carrot. All these vegetables we can eat without cooking also. Then eat cooked form, some vegetables, meat, fish and all the grains. All these things we cook and eat. We cannot eat raw meat and raw grains. So all this food we should cook and eat. Then we get from milk also some milk products. Do you know, children, which are the milk products we eat? Curd, butter, ghee and cheese. All these things are made from milk. Now, healthy eating habits. How should we eat food? Children, do you know how should we eat food? Yes. You eat your food slowly. You bite your food and chew food well and eat. You don't swallow your food. Then, wash your hands before and after eating with soap. You should wash your hands with soap. Then, avoid junk food. You should not eat junk food. Junk food are unhealthy food. And which are the junk food you eat? Do you know the names of some junk food? That packed food like kurkure, chips, then pastry, burger and all the cool drinks like Thumbs Up, 7-Up, Slice. All these are unhealthy food. You should not eat. Then food for different people. Different people means babies, old people, all they need different types of food. So babies and old people, they eat soft food because they find difficult to bite the food. Babies have no teeth. Then some of the old people also losing their teeth as they become old. Then babies drink milk. Then next is, children, we should respect our food. How can we respect our food? See, do not waste food. Children, do not waste food means you take only as much food as you can eat. You should not waste your food. In our country, there are many people, those who don't have food to eat. So when you waste food, you should think about them. So do not waste food. Then thank the person who has cooked your meal. Children, who cooks food for you? Your mother, no? So what you should do? You should thank your mother for your food. Then thank the farmers who grow the crops. So we get vegetables, fruits, grains, all these things. Who produce all these things? Our farmers. So when we eat, we should thank the farmers also. Then always we should thank God. So we should thank God for all the variety of food we eat. Then another thing, when you are sick, sick people eat only light food. So light food means food in small amount and easy to digest. So when you fall sick, you eat only light food. So these are the things about food. Now we will see the exercise part. Some question answers are given. Why do we need food? Why do we need food, children? We need food to live. Then when do we have our breakfast? So we have our breakfast in the morning. Then name 3 food items that we get from animals. So from animals we get eggs, milk and meat. You write only 3 things. Then name 3 food items that we get from plants. So plants, fruits, vegetables and grains. Now children, one activity is given in your EVS book, page number 17. Cross out the unhealthy food, color the healthy food. First what you should do, you cross out all the unhealthy food, then all the healthy food you should color it. Okay children, now read the lesson and learn the question answers well. Thank you.